Have you ever wondered who's behind your favorite apps and websites? Let me introduce you to the unsung heroes, Python developers. These tech wizards are the masterminds who write server-side web application logic. They create the backbone of the websites you visit and the apps you use daily. Not only that, they're the ones who ensure these systems run smoothly and efficiently. Imagine a world where you click on an app or website and it works perfectly every single time. That's the beauty of what Python developers do. They use the Python programming language to develop, debug, and implement application projects. From your favorite food delivery app to the e-commerce site you're addicted to, you have Python developers to thank for the seamless experience. Python developers are indeed the wizards behind the curtain, making the digital world go round. Stay tuned to uncover the magic behind their work in the following scenes. So, what exactly does a Python developer do? Let's delve into the nitty-gritty of their daily responsibilities. A Python developer's day is filled with a variety of tasks, all equally crucial for the smooth operation of any application. They start their day by writing clean, efficient, and reusable Python code, ensuring that the application is running at its peak performance. But their work doesn't stop there. They're also responsible for debugging any programs, tirelessly hunting for and fixing any issues that might be lurking in the code. In addition, Python developers integrate applications with third-party web services. They are the bridge builders, creating vital connections between different systems and making sure everything communicates flawlessly. Another key responsibility is developing user-facing elements. This means they work on the parts of the application you interact with, making sure they're user-friendly and intuitive. From developing user-facing elements to managing system functionality, Python developers truly are the backbone of any successful application. It's not all magic and fun though. Being a Python developer requires a unique set of skills and experience. Let's delve into what it takes to be successful in this role. First and foremost, a thorough knowledge of Python, one of the most versatile and widely used programming languages, is essential. This isn't just about being able to write code, but understanding the nuances of the language and how to leverage its strengths. Next, an understanding of front-end technologies is key. You'll need to be comfortable working with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, as these are the building blocks of the web. Familiarity with Python web frameworks such as Django or Flask is also crucial. These tools can help you build robust, scalable applications with ease. Finally, excellent problem-solving skills are a must. This role involves tackling complex technical challenges on a daily basis, so being able to think on your feet is crucial. So if you're a problem solver with a knack for coding, you might just be cut out for this exciting career. Like any job, being a Python developer comes with its challenges. But with great challenges come great rewards. Every day you may face complex project requirements that push you to the edge of your capabilities. You're often racing against tight deadlines with the pressure to deliver quality code that is efficient and bug-free. But let's not forget the thrill of problem solving, the exhilaration when your code runs flawlessly, and the sense of accomplishment when you meet that deadline. It's a roller coaster ride of highs and lows, but one that many find deeply fulfilling. The rewards? Well, they're plentiful. Competitive salaries and the potential to work remotely are just the starting points. The real reward is the satisfaction of seeing your work impact millions of users across the globe, of being a part of something bigger than yourself. Overcoming the challenges of being a Python developer is no small feat, but the rewards are undeniably worth it. Being a Python developer opens up a world of opportunities, but don't just take our word for it. The tech industry is a dynamic, ever-evolving landscape, and Python development sits at its heart. The skills you acquire in this role can be a stepping stone to numerous other roles in data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, and web development. The beauty of Python lies in its versatility. It's a language that's in demand across a wide array of sectors, from finance to healthcare, entertainment to education. This means your career can take you in countless directions. You could find yourself creating innovative algorithms for a tech startup one day and designing intelligent systems for a global corporation the next. And let's not forget the potential for personal growth. With every project, every line of code, you're not just building software, you're building your future. If you're intrigued by the world of Python development, subscribe for more insights, comment with your thoughts, or check out our other content for more career guidance. Your journey as a Python developer might just be a click away.